What is this? Yours a 12-pointer?
I don't know.
This is wide. This one's wide.
Go over and where did you with a big son of a gun?
Yeah, I'm really heavy. I'm not sure. How am I gonna lift him up with my gun?
Put the gun on top of him and lay across him. Pick his head up so I can get a shot of him. Not like that. Just
Like this?
yeah, just lay it down. Put it. Point the barrel the other. Here, TJ. Get over and lift the deer up.
Well, I don't want it pointing towards you. Which way do I lift it? Your way?
Yeah, just so you can get a good shot at him. How many altogether? 14?
I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
14. Big one. Messed up genes though.
What's machine?